Haryana. A state often associated with bustling cities and agricultural prowess, where the rhythm of life is dictated by the hum of urban centres and the vast expanses of farmland. Yet nestled within its heart lies a secret, a place that remains untouched by the rapid pace of modernity, a secret whispered by the wind rustling through ancient hills where the Aravalli range stands as a silent guardian. This secret is Mahendragarh, a town untouched by time where nature's embrace lingers in every corner, offering a serene escape from the chaos of city life. It is a place where the echoes of history mingle with the vibrant hues of the present, creating a unique tapestry of past and present. Mahendragarh is a hidden gem, waiting to be discovered by those who seek the road less traveled. It is a place where the pace of life slows, allowing you to reconnect with the earth's rhythms and find peace in simplicity. Here, amidst the gentle slopes of the Aravallis and the tranquil waters of local lakes, a sense of serenity washes over you, inviting you to pause and reflect. Mahendragarh is an ode to simplicity, where the true essence of rural India unfolds in its most authentic form. It is a testament to the enduring beauty of nature and the resilience of age-old traditions, standing strong against the test of time. Come, journey with us as we unveil the wonders of Mahendragarh, a place where every corner has a story to tell. Discover the stories etched into its ancient stones, each one a testament to a rich and vibrant history. Let the vibrant tapestry of its natural beauty captivate your senses, drawing you into a world where nature and history coexist in perfect harmony. Mahendragarh is situated in the southern expanse of Haryana, a region known for its rich cultural heritage and historical significance. It shares its borders with the state of Rajasthan, creating a unique blend of cultures and traditions. This unique location places it within the embrace of the ancient Aravalli range, a mountain range that has stood the test of time. These hills, among the oldest in the world, stand as silent sentinels watching over the land and its people. They have witnessed the ebb and flow of time for millennia, bearing silent witness to the changes that have shaped the region. The Aravallis lend a distinct character to Mahendragarh, influencing its climate, culture, and way of life. Their undulating slopes define the landscape, creating a picturesque backdrop for the town and offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. The hills are more than just a geographical feature. They are a symbol of resilience and continuity. They are an integral part of Mahendragarh's identity, shaping its history and its future. The Aravallis are steeped in mythology and folklore, with stories that have been passed down through generations. Their slopes hold the remnants of ancient forts and temples, each telling a story of valor, devotion, and the passage of empires. These structures whisper tales of a bygone era, of battles fought and won, and of a civilization that once thrived. The Aravallis are not just remnants of the past. They are a vibrant part of the present. They are a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life, home to a diverse array of flora and fauna. The hills provide refuge to a variety of species, each contributing to the rich biodiversity of the region. They also play a crucial role in shaping the region's climate, influencing weather patterns and providing a natural barrier against harsh winds. The Aravallis are the lifeblood of Mahendragarh, a constant presence that connects the town to its ancient roots and continues to shape its destiny. Beyond the majestic Aravallis, Mahendragarh unfolds as a tapestry of green. This is a land where nature's artistry is on full display. Rolling fields painted in hues of emerald and gold stretch as far as the eye can see. These fields are not just landscapes, they are the lifeblood of the community. They sustain generations with their bounty. Dotted across this verdant expanse are tranquil lakes, their surfaces shimmering like mirrors reflecting the azure sky. These water bodies are not just scenic delights, they are lifelines for the local ecosystem. They provide sustenance to a variety of birds and animals, adding to the region's biodiversity. The rural landscape of Mahendragarh is a symphony of colours, sounds and scents. The air is filled with the fragrance of freshly tilled earth and blooming wildflowers. The gentle breeze carries with it the melodies of birdsong and the rustling of leaves. It is a sensory experience that rejuvenates the soul, reminding us of the simple pleasures of life. Section 4, where nature whispers, flora and fauna of Mahendragarh. The diverse landscape of Mahendragarh nurtures a rich variety of flora and fauna. The Aravalli Hills, in particular, serve as a sanctuary for several species. Here, amidst the rocky slopes and hidden crevices, one can find the elusive leopard, its coat blending seamlessly with the dappled shade. The hills are also home to the nimble-footed chinkara, an antelope known for its grace and speed. Birdwatchers will find themselves enthralled by the avian diversity. Colourful bee-eaters flit through the air, their calls echoing through the valleys. The majestic Indian eagle soars high above, its keen eyes scanning the landscape below. The flora of Mahendragarh is just as captivating. The hills are adorned with dock trees. Their hardy trunks and delicate leaves are testament to their resilience in the arid climate. During the monsoon season, the landscape transforms into a vibrant canvas. Wildflowers in hues of yellow, pink and purple carpet the ground, creating a breathtaking spectacle. Section 5. The rhythm of the land, agriculture and climate. Mahendragarh experiences a semi-arid climate, characterized by hot summers and cool winters. Rainfall is relatively scarce and unpredictable, largely dependent on the monsoon season. This climatic reality has shaped the agricultural practices of the region. Farmers have adapted over generations, working in harmony with nature to cultivate their lands. Wheat and mustard are the main crops grown in the region. Their golden fields are common sight during the harvest season. Farmers also cultivate cotton and millet, demonstrating their resourcefulness in adapting to the challenging climate. The people of Mahendragarh share a deep connection with the land. They understand the importance of preserving its delicate balance. The semi-arid climate also presents its challenges. Water scarcity is a pressing concern. However, the people of Mahendragarh are resilient. They have developed sustainable practices like rainwater harvesting and drip irrigation to conserve this precious resource. Section 6. Seeds of Sustainability. Preserving Mahendragarh's bounty. The people of Mahendragarh understand the importance of preserving their natural heritage. They are custodians of the land, working to ensure its well-being for generations to come. Sustainable practices are not just a necessity, they are deeply ingrained in their way of life. Water conservation is paramount in this semi-arid region. Traditional rainwater harvesting techniques, such as yohads, have been revived and are proving effective in replenishing groundwater levels. Farmers are increasingly adopting drip irrigation methods which minimize water usage while maximizing yield. The community is also actively involved in afforestation drives. Planting trees not only helps combat soil erosion but also provides a habitat for local wildlife. These efforts are a testament to the community's commitment to living in harmony with nature. They understand that preserving the environment is not just an option, it is fundamental to their survival and well-being. Section 7. Rediscovering tranquility, an invitation to Mahendragarh. Mahendragarh beckons those seeking respite from the cacophony of modern life. Nestled in the heart of Haryana, this tranquil haven offers a sanctuary for weary souls. It is a place to reconnect with nature, to rediscover the tranquility that resides within each of us. Here, the gentle rustle of leaves and the soothing flow of rivers create a symphony of peace. This hidden gem of Haryana offers a unique blend of natural beauty, historical significance, and rural charm. The rolling hills and ancient ruins tell stories of a bygone era waiting to be explored. Imagine waking up to the melodious chirping of birds, the air fresh and crisp with the scent of earth after a light drizzle. The morning mist adds a touch of magic to the serene landscape. Spend your days exploring the ancient trails of the valleys, the sun casting long shadows through the trees. Each step on these trails is a journey through time and nature. As evening descends, find yourself captivated by the breathtaking hues of the sunset painting the sky in vibrant shades of orange and purple. The silhouettes of the hills create a mesmerizing backdrop. Mahendragarh is a destination for those seeking authenticity. The traditional houses and local markets offer a glimpse into the region's rich cultural heritage. It is a place to witness the rhythms of rural life, to interact with communities who live in harmony with nature. The village's simple yet profound way of life is a lesson in sustainability. It is a place to learn, to reflect, and to rediscover the simple joys of life. Whether it's watching children play or contemplating by a serene lake, Mahendragarh offers moments of pure joy. Come, lose yourself in the serene embrace of Mahendragarh and leave with your soul refreshed. This journey promises not just a visit, but a transformation.